do? Oh. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of You Know What Do You Get When You Watch This channel, anyways. A nice, simple cruise. This is some road off Old Madoc Road. We just kind of know where it goes.
I don't even know what it's called.
We're going up to Highway 506 today to do a little rip around 506. It's off Highway 41. Probably turned out to be a 4-hour ride again today. Yesterday we did that big stuff that you guys just finished watching. And then today we're like, Friday fun day, ride day, Friday ride day, yeah. We decided, yeah, go for another ride, so we're going for a little boot. Nothing too much, you know. We go out for a 4 or 5 hour ride. We try to get out a few times a week if possible. It's great. Tipsy's over there. That's Tipsy, guys. Yamaha VStar. Yeah, VStar 650.
650 horsepower.
Oh, yeah, and VTX V Twin Extreme right here, 1300 horsepower. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Fastest bike worldwide. Yep. Yeah, just nothing too interesting out here other than some farmer's field. You got some corn out there, some areas where the corn didn't sprout up because of
corn.
yeah. Hey Lulu, corn for Aaron. Oh, I might have said too much. You know, nice relaxing ride today. Drive, ride, hi-ya-ya-ya. Who knows?
On the hunt for burgers.
Lead, follow, or get the hell out of the way.
Yeah, imagine how we look at stop signs and shit.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Goddamn matchy. They sure all wearing the same shirt today.
Yeah, that's a good plus.
Fuck, this road's longer than I remember.
Yeah, it's a nice little cruise. Couple little hills, kind of straight, but it's okay. As long as I'm on 2 wheels, like I was telling Tipsy today, I don't care if I'm going around turns, gravel, straight roads, mud roads. Gee.
That's a nice farm.
Yeah. It looks really, really familiar, though. I don't know. Hey, cow, your hooters are hanging low. Oh yeah, that's farmland. Oh, there's a puppy dog and somebody walking. Oh, there's a kid playing basketball. Watch out, don't hit the kid playing basketball. Good, it just stayed there on the side of the road. That's a barn. It's a red barn. Red rum. Oh yeah, red rum. Hey look, you see more corn. We call this the corn vlog. Does anyone know why you eat corn and you poop out whole pieces of corn?
Empty corn.
My question to the people that poop out corn, don't you chew your damn food?
It's called recycling.
Oh, so after you digest it, it automatically forms the corn.
No, that's actually just corn shell filled with shit.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah, I don't really know where we are. I thought I was on a different road.
Yeah,
We go
this,
straight?
yeah, straight will help us
Oh,
out.
Zion Road. Sorry, Zion Road.
No, it's Zion. I don't know.
Either way, we're headed up north.
Yeah, either way, we're heading in the somewhat right direction. If we're not, we can find our way. We can make it all right. This road seems a little small.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah, it seems like you're not your normal size road, guys. It seems very small.
The sides are decaying.
Yeah, that's what it is. Oh yeah. Oh, you can plant some green stuff out there. It'll grow pretty good.
as long as you water
Yeah.
it. Learn that the hard way.
Yeah, we thought Mother Nature would take care of our plants. Yep. Nope. Oh, God. Jesus. Oh, I'm in like some kind of a rut. I don't know. I grew. These are the crop. Oh, hi, get off that yellow line, Trippy. Yeah. I know, guys, I know. Oh, look at that corner up there. Hit it, Tipsy, as fast as you can. Don't low slide, though. Make sure you high side. Oh, look at that dip, eh? Whee!
It's like NASCAR.
Hi. I'm coming. Little putt-putts, a little slow.
Oh, it's 37?
Better freaking be. If not, I don't know what my name is.
Oh.
What?
That was in neutral.
I thought I pulled out in front of a car. Ah, yeah. Tipsy will catch up. Yeehaw. Yeah. I forgot what speed. You know, you Tipsy slow, you know. Boy, you haven't done your Hey, cow, slow. I'm waiting for the freaking guy, and he's like, screw you, asshole, you didn't wait for me, I'm leaving. And there he goes. I feel that's kind of rude, guys. What do you think? Oh, yeah, my bike's twice the size of his. You give me a straight road, and I'll beat ya. You give me a corny road, and you're gonna smoke me all day long. Oh yeah, just the cruising, guys. Nothing much to see. This is Highway 37. We're heading into Tweedo. Hey. Nice little clip, not too bad. Oh, I hope my mic, yeah, it's all plugged in. Roslyn. Oh, good old Roslyn. Little town before Tweed, where the speed limit dropped down to 60, guys. Yeehaw! I like these little 60 towns because this means I'm shutting you guys off and having a hoot. And we're back in an 80 section, of course. You guys have seen that town in other videos. You didn't miss anything. Blink of the eye and you're gone. Literally, I only had time for about 8 hoots. Hooty hoot hoot hoot. Starting to get chilly in the shade. Yeah, where are we going today? Oh yeah, I already said it, 506, like Northbrook. Heavy police presence up there is what the news is saying. But that's not why we're going there. We had this plan. And then you hear on the radio, there's a heavy police presence, heavy cops in Northbrook. It's like, oh great. One of us is going to get the bikes impounded for both of us. I got the pass, guys. Yeah. Yeah, no, I was only joking there. No need to pass. Yeah, yeah. Hey, buddy, hey! Hey! Oh, how's it going today? Hello, hey, Olga, yeah. What the hell? Yeah. Seems like it might be a windy day out today, I think. Or is it just because we're riding fast? Not fast, but speed limit. Thomasburg. Okay guys, that's enough of that video for now. Have a great day. Make sure you stay tipsy, stay tripping, and stay watching for the next video because it's going to be somewhere up here. Oh yeah guys. Cheers y'all.